We have seen a couple of showers and thunderstorms across the area for today. It does appear that will continue this evening east of I-35 as a cold front continues to slide off toward the east. I think the majority of it's going to be in northeast and east Texas. And then we have the main upper low that will be scooting out of Arizona and New Mexico and getting closer to us late tonight into Saturday morning. That will initiate showers and thunderstorms across West Texas. A big complex will likely move across as we make our way into the wee hours of the morning on Saturday. And that could provide some hail chances, but it's probably mainly going to be a heavy rain event. So we do have a good chance of rain for the first half of the day on Saturday, ramping down as we head into Saturday afternoon. Clouds stick around Sunday, and then it stays dry through next week. But the big story also is going to be the chilly weather expected over the weekend. More on that in just a second. But our severe storm potential for tonight through Saturday morning will encompass the entire area. Again, within the complex of thunderstorms that we're expecting, I think it'll be widespread, but individual cells will be isolated that could contain maybe some pocket change size hail the way it looks. And most of this is probably going to be a locally heavy rain threat. So again, something to keep an eye on for late tonight into Saturday morning. And looking at our future track, showers and thunderstorms, looks like those push out of the area through about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. A couple of showers possible near the front near Bryan College Station. Then as we head into the wee hours of the morning, here you go. Here's your complex of showers and thunderstorms rolling on through. Now, I think it's a lot more bark than bite here. A lot of this will be rain, but some hail cores could be possible isolated within this line. That should be approaching I-35 before sunrise. And then that sweeps through the area with locally heavy rain. Some rain continuing through 6 o'clock Saturday morning. 9 a.m. starts to slowly taper off, and then it's out of here as we head into Saturday afternoon and evening. But the clouds stick around, and as we make our way into Sunday, it will be dry, but the clouds stick around for most of the day, especially Waco, Temple, Killeen off to the east with some breaks off toward the west. That's going to keep us quite chilly as we go through the day on Sunday. As far as rain amounts are concerned, once that complex of storms rolls through the area, we're probably like a ½ inch to an inch, maybe some 1 to 2 inch isolated totals across the area. So not really expecting major flooding, but a few urban areas with some street flooding will be possible in some of those heavier downpours late tonight. And as we take a look at what we are tracking for you temperature-wise, looks like the coolest conditions will be across the northwestern half of the area, slightly warmer to the southeast as that cold front continues to work off toward the south. Then we're looking at cool temperatures for tomorrow. I have us into the 59 to 62 degree range, Waco, Temple, Killeen, but I think that's going to be in the morning. We will probably spend a lot of the day in the low to mid 50s across the area, and that cool air will continue to penetrate down into the Brazos Valley as well. So highs in the morning for tomorrow. And looking at your forecast, it looks like a good chance of rain in the morning, stopping in the afternoon on Saturday, 41 Sunday morning, 54 Sunday afternoon, 35 Monday morning. There could be some frost around to our north and west, so we will be watching that closely for you. 66 degrees on Monday, 73 on Tuesday, back up close to 80 Wednesday, and in the 80s as we get through the end of next week. And yeah, it looks kind of dry as we go through next week on into the next weekend. So hopefully you get the nice rains for tonight. That will continue through Saturday morning in the Brazos Valley as well, tapering off in the afternoon. 70 degrees for a high in the morning, falling into the 60s and 50s in the afternoon. 56 degrees on Sunday, 67 on Monday after a morning low of 39 degrees. And then we're back up where we should be for April into the 70s and 80s next week.